Hey you guys, so today I'm going to do like one of my husband's favorite dishes. This is called Pollo and Jocon. It's like a Guatemalan dish. Basically, this is the green sauce I'm doing. This is 2 jalapenos. I have 4 small tomatoes, red tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, or in Espanol, it will be 3 dientes de ajo. I have a green bell pepper, this one, and small onion, and of course the star of this dish, some tomatillos. Of course I'm going to wash these first, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven for a few minutes to roast them, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so while that is going, in here I have roasted up a chicken. I did was season it with some salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. And on the bottom, of course, I put the chicken on top of some onions, so not to get too greasy. And then in here, in my pressure cooker, I have some white rice to go with it. So now that they got roasted, I'm going to let them cool off a little bit before I put them into my blender. And then from there, I'm going to add the cilantro and some seasoning to it. So now I'm going to add in the cilantro. The cilantro. Don't let your vegetables cool. What's going to happen is it will explode basically because of the vacuum pressure of all the hot air inside of the blender. So always let it cool first, and then, well, I guess I should say puree it. Okay. So here it is, and then I know some of y'all are going to say that's not how you do it, you don't use red tomatoes. Jocon, just like any kind of stew, you're going to make it how your mama taught you. I am self-taught, you know, so there. So the next part, I'm going to show you everything put together. Okay, so here is the finished product. Now, the sauce, I didn't like put it through a strainer, so that is an option. Or if you don't want to do it through the strainer, you can do it if you like kind of like the pulpy stuff. But yeah. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you are going to try it, or have you had Pollo and Jocon before? And if you have, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And until next time, adios.